Hi guys, get ready to dive into the exciting world of Mailchimp API as we tackle a common challenge together, the error 429. But fret not, because we're here to equip you with the knowledge and solutions to overcome this obstacle and unleash the full potential of Mailchimp API in your make.com scenarios. But before we dive into the solutions, let's take a moment to understand what the error 429 in Mailchimp actually means. The error 429, also known as too many requests error, occurs when you exceed the rate limit set by the Mailchimp API. These limits are set in place to maintain the stability and ensure a fair experience for all. And if we go into the Mailchimp API documentations, you can see that the error 429 is caused by multiple reasons. You could have exceeded the number of simultaneous connections. You could have too many requests in the webhook. As you can see right here, if you have 10 simultaneous connections and all of them are on processing, you will get the error 429. Now that we know what the error 429 means and what the limitations of the Mailchimp API are, we can set up a few precautions so that we don't run into the error. The first one would be to use the sleep module. To use the sleep module, you just have to go into the tools right here and you can select the sleep module. You can set up the sleep module right between the Google Sheet and Mailchimp modules, and you can set the delay according to your needs. The second solution would be to limit the number of bundles you're passing into your Mailchimp module. Since the API only allows 10 simultaneous processes, you can set up the number of bundles to 10. Since I'm using a Google Sheet module right here, you can just click on this and you can set the limit to anything under 10 so that there are no more than 10 bundles passing through the Mailchimp module. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, please share them in the comment section below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting automation tutorials. Thank you for joining us today and happy automating.